Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use multi-sections command, multi-section surface in use in CATIA. Guys, previous lecture is a multi-sections surface command is basic command, and today learn here multi-sections surface command is a use a vertex. Okay, use a vertex command and a new parts learn here multi-section surface use a vertex. Okay guys, at first open a CATIA software and then use a and learn a multi-section surface use a vertex. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and at first draw a plane created here. Okay, YZ plane, and this is a plane is select here, and some distance here is 60 is 70. Okay, this is a perfect, and repeat again a 2. Okay, this is a correct, this is a correct. Okay, at first 3 plane use, but this plane is not used. Okay, at first this plane sketch any 3-point arc starting with limits. Use any design, any sketch is created here. Okay, any curve is created here. Okay, some radius is okay, this is a 35. Okay, this is a correct. Exit. Okay, and then this plane is also used. Okay, this is a rectangle, and use a rectangle, then this is a rectangle. Okay, this and this is delete here, and distance is a some distance in use, this is a 40 is correct. Okay, and this is a correct. Exit, and again this plane is used and sketch here, and this is a use a 3-point arc starting with limit. Okay, this is a correct. This is a and this correct. Okay, and distance is a radius is a 26. Okay, this is a 26. Okay, this is a correct. Exit. Okay, 3 plane is a created here, and 3 first is a arc, and second is a rectangle, and third is arc. Okay, at first click a multi-section surface, and then use a first is a this. Okay, plane is, and second is this, and third is this. Okay, all arrow is upward and this arrow is below. Okay, all is correct. Arrow is a upward, arrow is a same. Okay, all is same here. This first, second, third arrow is upward, and this first, second, third is below. Okay, this is a correct. Any change arrow not multi-section use. Okay, this is a preview is showing here, this is a correct. Okay, and and this is a use a double click here and use a vertex command. Okay, coupling and ratio is a this ratio is a default value setting here, and tangency then curvature use. Then today discuss here a vertex. Okay, click here vertex, and this is a click here, and okay, select a point. Okay, this is a first point and second point, and this is a third point. Okay, this is a correct, and click a add here. Okay, and next point is a this first point, second point, and this is a third point. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, our preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, body is change here, and okay, and all plane is hide. This is a hide, this is a hide, and all plane is a hide because this, okay, this plane is hide because this dimension is looking good, and this plane is also hide. Okay, and this plane is also hide. Okay, okay, this is a, okay, this is a correct, and use a vertex. This is a, and material is used. This material is a perfect material, and this is a perfect. Okay, and also mention here this is a, okay, this is a perfect, and other is used. This is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and okay, this body is a, this body, this multi section is used. Okay, this is a correct, and vertex command is used. Any 3 point is use a, this curve is a, and body and shape is a vertex use. Okay, and vertex command is very important in multi-section surface is design here. Okay, and wireframe and surface design, a multi-section command is, multi-section surface command is very important, and some use a vertex command is a some very also important. Okay, isometric view is correct, and this is a correct, and okay, zoom in. Okay, okay, this body is perfect. Okay, zoom in, body is perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this body is a correct. Okay, 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 guys. Okay, guys, CATIA. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, and multi-section surface and a spine. Okay, multi-section surface use a spine, and this is a very also very important, and okay, this is a next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, okay, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.